Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make chicken curry in coconut milk. Before I show you the ingredient, don't forget to go ahead and check my channel La Cuisine Laila in Creole language if you're interested in that language better than English. Then go ahead and check that channel. And to begin, we are going to make a marination of the chicken, and what I have here is ginger garlic paste, and I have some spices with chili powder, which is optional. You don't have to add chili powder if you don't want it. Salt, coriander powder, garam masala, and turmeric. So this is for the marination. We are going to marinate this chicken and keep it in the fridge for about half an hour, between half an hour to 1 hour. So I'm gonna show you the rest of the ingredient after we marinate this chicken, let it rest, and then we're gonna move to the next ingredient. So these are 1 tablespoon only for the ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to use my hand and start mixing everything, and it's been over half an hour and the chicken was in the fridge. I have removed the chicken from the fridge. Before you cook the chicken, 10 minutes before, just leave it outside the fridge, it's better. And let me take you to the ingredients for the gravy. So the coconut gravy, we need finely chopped onion or sliced onion. We need 1 sprig of curry leaf, cumin seeds, coriander powder, salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, optional. We need tomato paste. I'm using canned tomato. You can use fresh tomato, it's better. Ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander, and green chilies for garnish. And then we need coconut milk. We also need about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil heating in the pan right now. And right now I'm going to take you to the stove so we can start cooking. I'm going to start by adding the curry leaf and also the cumin seeds only, and just let it saute for half a minute. Add the onion, cook the onion until translucent, and it's been 6 minutes over medium-high heat, and now you can see the onion has been translucent already. Now I'm gonna add ginger and garlic paste. Let it cook. Add the marinated chicken. Give it a good mix. And also let it cook over medium-high heat. And now it's been about 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna add chili powder, turmeric, salt, and coriander. And then mix. Add the tomato paste and coconut milk. Try to get the thick coconut milk. There will be more flavor. I'm adding the whole can. Since this is coconut chicken curry, why not just add the whole can? It is so good. It is so. It smell is so good right now, and the curry leaf is making the kitchen smell so good as well. Let me know in the comment section down below who else like curry leaf as much as I do. It is so good, flavorful. And now we're gonna give this curry a good mix, and then I'm going to cover it and let it cook by reducing the heat a little bit. It's been 40 minutes. I keep stirring my curry time to time. I did not add water. This curry was cooking with the coconut milk and the gravy, the tomatoes alone. And also chicken release water, so if you add water it's gonna be too much watery. But if your chicken did not cook, did not come tender, then you can add little bit of water to let it cook. I would like to garnish my coconut chicken curry with some chopped coriander, and also optional some chilies, some green chilies. If you love spicy like me, then that's for you. And your coconut chicken curry, or however you call it, chicken curry in a coconut milk or coconut chicken curry is ready. Check the description box down below for written ingredient. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check my channel La Cuisine Laila. Bye.